Your gear is an extension of yourself. It's your eyes, ears, and voice. So in this episode, let's talk about the essentials. Hey there, it's me with the production company. Every week, we bring you top tips and tricks for shooting professional videos. Subscribe so you don't miss an episode. In filmmaking and photography, gear is your toolbox. You wouldn't build an entire house with just a hammer, right? And just like choosing the right tool for the job, each piece of gear has its purpose and value. In this episode, we're going to break down the essential tools you need to capture professional footage and audio. From cameras to lighting and everything in between, we've got you covered. So whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, stick around because we're going to show you how to get the most out of your gear. First up on the list is the camera, the heart of any shoot. When choosing a camera, consider what type of work you'll be doing and your budget. Cameras come in a variety of shapes and sizes, each with their own unique features and capabilities. Some things to look for include the sensor size and resolution, frame rates, and dynamic range. Look no further than the Sony FX3, the R5, or the Blackmagic Pocket 6K. Each of these are great options to get you started. Next, let's talk about lenses. They are the eyes of your camera. Just like cameras, lenses come in all shapes and sizes and can make a big difference in the final image. For example, prime lenses are fixed focal length lenses that offer exceptional sharpness, while zoom lenses give you the flexibility to adjust the focal length during shooting. Some popular lenses include the 24-70, the 50, and the 85mm lenses. Each of these serve their own purpose and can help you achieve a variety of looks. Now let's talk about the accessories that can take your camera and lenses to the next level. First up, tripods. These are great for static shots where you want to keep your camera completely still. There are many types of tripods available, including lightweight travel tripods and heavy-duty studio tripods. Gimbal, on the other hand, are excellent for smooth motion shots, such as those used in video games and virtual tours. They're also handy for filming run-and-gun style. Sliders, meanwhile, are perfect for creating that classic Hollywood effect where the camera has to move forward or backwards slowly to reveal a subject or a scene. Now you can get all of these things and more from companies like Manfrotto, DJI, and Edelkrone. Speaking of which, let's talk about lighting. Good lighting can make or break a shoot. It sets the visual tone and creates a certain mood or atmosphere. Now there are several types of lights to choose from, including LED panels, softboxes, and portable lights. The best part is, there are tons of affordable options available now, from brands like Falcon Eyes, Godox, and Aputure. And one thing you might want to consider investing in is a light stand. It can really make your life a lot easier when it comes to lighting your scenes. Another important aspect to think about is sound. After all, it's one of the main elements of storytelling. Without good audio, your audience may struggle to understand dialogue or immerse themselves in the soundscape of your video. That's why having the right microphones and recorders is crucial. Lavalier mics are small clip-on mics that are great for capturing dialogue in noisy environments. Shotgun mics, meanwhile, are ideal for outdoor shoots and can help you get clear audio even in windy conditions. Handheld recorders like the Zoom H1N can also come in handy when you need to capture high-quality audio on the go. Next, let's discuss storage. When it comes to shooting video, having enough storage space is essential. It would be awful if you ran out of space in the middle of an important shoot, right? That's why it's crucial to have fast, reliable SD or CF Express cards to store your footage. Plus, it's always a good idea to have backups. Consider investing in a portable hard drive or cloud storage option, like Dropbox or Google Drive. This way you can easily transfer your files and have them readily available whenever you need them. Batteries are another essential item that every filmmaker needs to have on hand. After all, it's frustrating when you in the middle of a shoot and your camera dies due to a low battery. To avoid this, always make sure you have plenty of extra batteries to keep you shooting all day long. Some cameras even support USB-C power delivery, meaning you can charge your batteries directly from a power bank. If you're planning to shoot for long periods of time, consider investing in a solar panel charger or a battery grip for your camera. This will help you keep your camera powered up and ready to go, no matter where you are. Next, let's talk about AC adapters. While they aren't essential for every shoot, C adapters are a great investment for studio work. and can really come in handy for certain run and gun shoots. Having an AC adapter allows you to plug your camera into a wall outlet to keep it powered up all day long. This can be especially useful for time-lapse and other long-duration shoots. Another essential item is a backup camera. It's always a good idea to have a backup camera in case something happens to your main camera. This could be a smaller, more affordable camera that you keep on hand just in case. In addition, some filmmakers also carry a backup lens and even a backup tripod. This is especially important if you're reworking on a project with tight deadlines, or if you're reshooting something really important like a wedding. Let's not forget about the importance of cables. Having the right cables can make a world of difference in your shoots. Make sure you have plenty of HDMI, USB-C, and DTAP cables on hand at all times. This will allow you to connect your camera to external monitors, power sources, and other devices. Finally, let's discuss camera bags and cases. Protecting your gear is just as important as having the right gear. Camera bags and cases can help keep your equipment safe and secure, whether you're traveling, commuting, or just carrying your gear around. Choose a bag or case that fits your gear and provides padding and protection from the elements. So there you have it, the essential gear every filmmaker needs to know. Remember, your gear is an extension of yourself. It's your eyes, ears, and voice. So choose it wisely and use it well. And hey, we know this can be a lot to take in, so feel free to pause, rewind, and rewatch any part of this video. We want to make sure you feel confident and prepared for your next shoot. So if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to drop them below. We're here to help, and we couldn't wait to see what you create with your new gear. Until then, stay creative, keep shooting, and we'll catch you next time.